Come on, let's test your basic biology knowledge. Don't worry, even if you're not a biologist, these are questions anyone might know, or at least should know. So, let's dive in and see just how much you really remember about the basics of life. Let's dive in. Question number 1. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Well, I know it is too basic. Anyway, answer it. Will you? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Well, the answer is C. Mitochondria. Explanation: mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, through cellular respiration. This energy is essential for most cellular processes and activities. They have their own DNA, which is separate from the cell's nuclear DNA, and they are found in almost all eukaryotic cells. Next question: what is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fighting infection. B. Carrying oxygen. C. Digesting food. D. Storing energy. Answer is B. Carrying oxygen. Red blood cells, RBCs, are primarily responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to various tissues and organs throughout the body. They contain a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen molecules and carries them efficiently through the circulatory system. RBCs also help in carrying a small amount of carbon dioxide back to the lungs for exhalation. Next, which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. D. Flowers. Answer: C. Leaves. Photosynthesis occurs mainly in the chloroplasts found in plant leaves. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a green pigment that captures sunlight and uses it to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. This process is essential for producing energy for the plant and contributing oxygen to the atmosphere. Next question: what molecule carries genetic information in living organisms? A. RNA. B. DNA. C. Protein. D. Carbohydrate. Answer: B. DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all living organisms and many viruses. DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes, which are located in the cell nucleus. The sequence of bases in DNA, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, encodes the genetic information that determines the traits of an organism. Question 5. What type of organism is capable of making its own food using sunlight? A. Consumer. B. Decomposer. C. Producer. D. Predator. Answer: C. Producer. Explanation: producers, also known as autotrophs, are organisms that can make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water through the process of photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and some bacteria fall into this category. They are the foundation of most ecosystems, as they provide energy for consumers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, in the food chain. Next question: how many chromosomes do humans typically have? A. 22. B. 44. C. 46. D. 23. Answer is C. 46. Explanation: humans have 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. Each parent contributes 23 chromosomes to the offspring, resulting in 46 total. Chromosomes contain the DNA that encodes genetic information. The first 22 pairs are called autosomes, and the 23rd pair are the sex chromosomes, 20 for females and Xi for males. Question 7. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Liver. D. Skin. Answer is D. Skin. Explanation: the skin is the largest organ of the human body, covering approximately 2 square meters in an average adult. It serves as a protective barrier against pathogens, helps regulate body temperature, allows for the sensation of touch, and aids in the synthesis of vitamin D. The skin consists of 3 layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. 8th one. Which vitamin is primarily obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin B, vitamin B12C, vitamin C/D, vitamin D. Answer: D. Vitamin D. Explanation: vitamin D is unique because it can be synthesized by the skin when it is exposed to ultraviolet (UV) radiation from sunlight. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones by facilitating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to conditions such as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Next question: what is the term for a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area? A. Ecosystem. B. Community. C. Population. D. Biome. Answer: C. Population. A population is defined as a group of individuals of the same species that live in the same geographic area and interbreed. Populations can vary in size and density and are subject to factors such as predation, competition, and environmental changes. The study of populations is important in ecology to understand dynamics and interactions within ecosystems. And the last question of this quiz: which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? A. Vein. B. Artery. C. Capillary. D. Venule. Answer is B. Artery. The exception is the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. Arteries have thick, elastic walls to withstand the high pressure from the heart's pumping action. Well done! You did it! Great job brushing up on these small but fascinating facts. For more knowledge-packed fun, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep curious and stay amazing.